Okay, so we're gonna put this delicious quiche filling in our classic muffin tray. As you can see, I don't prep the pan in any way, no spray, no grease, no oil, nothing. I'm just gonna put this delicious quiche batter in the mold. This is great because it is full of veggies. It's got eggs, it's got Greek yogurt, it's got a little bit of cheese, and our delicious French pantry herb blends for lots of great flavors. You can see I can be as messy as I want as I fill this. Nothing is gonna stick, and they're gonna cook evenly and come out perfectly. Okay, the quiche are finished, and look how easily these pop out of Flexipan. Oh my goodness, are those beautiful or what? Gorgeous, delicious, easy, and no cleanup because nothing sticks. Brownie bites in your classic muffin tray. Okay, you guys, you don't spray, grease, oil this pan. No need to prep it in any way. And then look how easy it is. These brownies pop right out. Look, they're nice and shiny because the sugar stays on there and crystallizes and nothing sticks. So just think about even the mess you make on the edge of the pan comes right off with no mess. Isn't that the best? Easy, perfect brownie bites, no crumbs when cutting your brownies. Here's a great tip for using your classic muffin tray in the freezer. After you have leftover soup, you add it to your muffin tray, freeze just like this with the Bond mat covering it. Then when you let it freeze overnight and popping out beautifully are these perfect half cup portions of my favorite soup. So then I've got some always ready to pull out of the freezer and heat up in minutes.